Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing essential prerequisites. Learn Python and SQL so you can manipulate data immediately. Start small and practical. Build too many projects that use pandas for cleaning and SQL for joins. Once done, create a GitHub repo with a clean README. This shows work and intent. You do math in parallel. Prioritize probability and linear algebra to understand models. Make sure to schedule focused, repeatable practice sessions. This converts theory into usable skills and gets you ready for the next phase. You move into modeling by first cleaning and documenting your dataset. Impute missing values and encode categoricals so models behave predictably. Once the data is reliable, train simple baselines like linear regression and a decision tree. This sets realistic performance expectations. Then iterate. Tune hyperparameters with cross-validation and compare metrics such as precision, recall, and ROCAUC to avoid overfitting. Make sure to visualize residuals and feature importances. Visual checks reveal hidden issues, and you finish by packaging a reproducible delivery. Include the notebook, model artifact, and a concise report that explains decisions and limitations. Then deploy a small demo, Streamlit or Flaskworks, so stakeholders can interact with your model immediately. Once deployed, monitor for issues. If something fails, first check for data shift and violated assumptions, then review calibration and input pipelines. Make sure to log errors and create a simple rollback plan. This reduces risk and gives you concrete steps to fix problems fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.